What if he doesn't like it? Are you gonna like it, Oliver? Hey guys, if you haven't met him already, this is my dog Oliver. And today we're gonna be spoiling him a little bit and making 3-ingredient dog ice cream. He is already excited to eat the peanut butter. So the first thing you're gonna do is add 2 bananas to your blender or food processor, whatever you want. We have a blender. And then you're gonna add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Get that nice creaminess inside of here. I can't actually eat peanut butter, I'm allergic to it, but I can handle it for a short amount of time. But I will hold peanut butter for Oliver. He's worth it. Now we're gonna add our 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Okay, so now we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of water, and if you have a bougie dog like my dog, you're gonna have to make it purified water, so this is purified. Okay, so now all of our ingredients are in here, and we're gonna blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Perfect for Oliver. Smooth and creamy. Give it a little shake. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna pour it into these ice cube trays or silicone trays, whatever you have that is made of this flappy
Silicone
stuff. Silicone, yeah. A little bit chunky. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So guys, we're actually in my room right now because I want to show you guys some of Oliver's tricks while we're waiting for his ice cream. So Oliver, come here. He's coming. Say hi. You ready to eat some ice cream? Are you ready? Sit down. All right, good boy. Now, lay down. Oliver, lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Now, play dead. Play dead. Play dead, you got it. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. Yeah. Come here. You've got 2 more tricks. Actually, 3 more tricks. Come on. Right now, my favorite trick. Handshake. Good boy. Good boy. Fist bump. Fist bump. Dang, my arm looks long in this filter. Dang. Okay, Oliver. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Good boy. Good boy. Now, high five. Oh, not your mouth. High five. High five. Oliver. That's not how you do a high five. Let's see how you look in 0.5. I love the 0.5 on phones. It just makes everything funner. I'm actually wondering though, what if he doesn't like it? Are you gonna like it, Oliver? Okay, it's 2 hours later and the ice cream is done. So now we're gonna take it out and see how cool it looks. It's like a harder ice cream. It actually looks really good, but I cannot eat it. For him to try it. Oh, barely he likes it. Oh my God. What the heck was that? 1 lick for terrible, 2 licks for amazing. 2. That was like
That was
more
3.
than 2.
That was 3.
Okay, no more. I'm so glad that Oliver liked this treat, and if you really want to spoil your dogs this summer, definitely try this dog ice cream recipe. You have to. He's definitely looking for more. You'll get some more tomorrow. Say bye. Bye.